I don't know. We're going to have to open it up and see. You like that?
Yeah. Let me check the back.
What is it?
Look, it tells you can get any superhero flying character helicopter.
It does.
See?
Well, that is sure cool, isn't it?
I got it.
Are you glad you got that surprise?
Yep.
And you really like it?
Yeah.
All right, hang on, buddy. Let me get my knife and we'll cut that tape so we can get it open, okay?
I want to do it. I can do it.
Are you going to say thank you?
Thank you. I can do it.
Oh, you can?
Doing it. Opening. Not too fast. Yes. Not part yet.
Whoa. That's big, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're going to have to put it together.
You do it.
I will. I'll put it together for you.
But it comes with the bone. Where's the bone for it?
It's probably in that bag.
It is. See?
Oh, yep, I see it. The silver one.
Get the big Spider-Man out. Hurry.
Okay, hang on.
Look, instructions.
Yeah.
Do you have to pull this?
Yep, I think that's how it works.
How do you make it fly? Real fly.
Oh, you think you got it figured out already? Hang on, let Daddy put it together.